The Cyprus Centre of the International Theatre Institute was founded in 1977, and it is a non-governmental, non-profitable organisation, a full member of the ITI. It is run by a board of directors who represent various branches of the theatre and performing arts. Its main goal is to achieve an international collaboration for the development and evolution of the theatre and performing arts, to act as a liaison between the international and the Cypriot artistic community, and to promote Cypriot dramaturgy and any other theatrical activity to the rest of the world. The Cyprus Centre of the ITI produces abundant work, and most of its activities have been distinguished and have gained great acclaim. The most prominent activity of the Cyprus Centre is the International Festival of Ancient Greek Drama, which is annually co-organised by the Cultural Services of the Ministry of Education, Culture, Sport and Youth and by the Deputy Ministry of Tourism. The festival launched in 1997. It was born from an idea of the first director of the centre, Nikos Shafkalis, who has managed to involve theatre companies from various parts of the world, featuring ancient Greek drama as an integral part of the world cultural heritage. All performances are presented in open-air theatres, including the two most impressive archaeological sites in Cyprus, the Paphos Ancient Odeon and the Kyrium Ancient Theatre. Since 1997, more than 130 theatre groups from 22 countries have participated in the festival, staging ancient Greek drama. The festival has brought artistic creation closer to society, and it has provided a fertile platform for the Cypriot theatre creativity whilst opening constructive dialogues with other countries. The International Symposium of Ancient Greek Drama launched in 1990, and it is co-organised every 2 years by the Cultural Services of the Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports and Youth. In its long course, the symposium has managed to secure the participation of acclaimed personalities of international standing. The publication of the proceedings of each symposium is considered an essential theatre research and study tool. The Cyprus Centre supports and promotes the Cypriot dramaturgy by organising a series of activities and also supporting the participation of new playwrights in significant workshops abroad. Aiming to promote and enhance modern Cypriot dramaturgy in Greece, the Centre organises the Cypriot Theatre Play Week in Athens and a series of staged readings. The Week project, first launched in 2009, introduces performances of Cypriot theatre plays produced by Cypriot theatre groups. 6 editions have taken place so far, showcasing 16 new stage plays by 15 Cypriot playwrights. The cooperation of the Cyprus Centre of the ITI and the Cyprus Theatre Organisation for a systematic and innovative effort to boost domestic playwriting began in 2012 with the project Play. Through Play, the dual purpose of which was to train playwrights and provide information to theatre producers, an attempt was made for an entirely different approach to Cyprus theatre, as well as a strengthening of the ties between Cypriot producers and playwrights. The aim was to practically support contemporary Cypriot dramaturgy, to develop local creation and to encourage playwriting. So far, 32 new playwrights participated in the project and 36 new Cypriot plays emerged, of which 18 have been staged. The Dance Symposium was launched in 2011 as a thematic activity in the context of which academics, choreographers, dancers, artists in performing arts, as well as dance theorists come together in order to share their work. The Dance Symposium ran for 4 editions until 2014, hosting performances, lectures, discussions and workshops. Aiming to support a dialogue amongst the theatre and performing arts community, the Cyprus Centre organises a series of meetings, workshops, seminars and one-day conferences. Among the Cyprus Centre's activities, the production of publications stands out. The Centre's publications are invaluable tools for the archive record of the Cypriot theatre history and the theatre affairs of this country. The Cyprus Centre also participates in the annual celebrations for World Theatre Day and International Dance Day, in several European and international programs, as well as in international and European forums, congresses and meetings. Cyprus is a small but rather unique island. The Cyprus Centre of the ITI, through its diverse activities, has managed to acquire an international reputation and is being recognized as one of the most active members of the ITI.